Good evening and welcome to Mobile My Chanels. Tonight, we spotlight the new realme 14 5G touting flagship-style specs at a mid-range price. It pairs the Snapdragon 6 Gen 4 chipset with a 120Hz AMOLED esports-grade display, an advanced bionic cooling system, and a massive 6,000 mAh battery with bypass charging. Over the next 7 minutes, we'll break down every feature that earns it the title Gaming Master for budget-conscious gamers. Under the hood, the realme 14 5G runs on the Snapdragon 6 Gen 4. Built on a 4nm process normally found in premium phones, its octa-core CPU and Adreno 710 GPU, when paired with realme's GT mode, sustain high frame rates and instantaneous touch response. Popular shooters like PUBG Mobile can run at a smooth 90 FPS, while titles such as Mobile Legends, Free Fire, and Arena of Valor hit up to 120 FPS and no stutters. No dropped frames, even in the heat of battle. Gaming speed is nothing without visual clarity. The 6.67-inch AMOLED panel delivers true blacks and vivid colors, while its 120Hz refresh rate drastically cuts motion blur. Peak brightness of 2000 nits ensures you maintain visibility outdoors or under harsh lighting. Combined, these specs give you lightning-fast feedback and an immersive, lag-free experience. Extended sessions often bring heat-induced throttling. Realme counters that with its bionic cooling system and ultra-large vapor chamber, plus hypertherm graphite sheets that conduct heat far more efficiently than copper. This flagship-level technology quickly spreads CPU and GPU heat across the device's chassis, keeping temperatures stable and preserving peak performance. Even after hours of continuous play, a 6,000 mAh cell anchors the realme 14 5G's endurance. You'll breeze through a full day of gaming, streaming, and multitasking without hunting for a wall socket. When you do need juice, bypass charging kicks. In-power flows directly to the phone rather than into the battery, reducing heat and extending overall battery lifespan. It's a game changer for those who charge as they play. Realme didn't stop at core components. The 14 5G includes stereo speakers with high-res audio, a responsive in-screen fingerprint reader, and liquid-cooled technology for further temperature control. Dual-band Wi-Fi and sub-6 GHz 5G ensure you stay connected with minimal latency. And with software optimizations like GameSpace 5.0, you can block notifications, boost touch sensitivity, and allocate system resources for an uninterrupted experience. In May, authorized retail partner The Joy De Dong offers the realme 14 5G in 2 trims. 8GB RAM, 128GB storage at $9,490,000 $402. 12GB RAM, 256GB storage at $10,490,000 $444. You'll also find the realme 14T 5G variant featuring the same chipset with subtly different styling priced even lower. Both models come in classy silver and storm gray, with 0% interest financing, a 30-day money-back guarantee, and up to $1 million trade-in credit. A 2-year official warranty, plus 6 months of water damage coverage seal the deal. The realme 14 5G brings flagship-level gaming chops to the mainstream blazing performance. Pro-grade display, advanced cooling, and marathon battery life all at an aggressive price. For mobile gamers who refuse to compromise, but won't break the bank, this phone deserves a top spot on your shortlist. For Mobile Edge News, I'm Anchor Name. Thanks for watching, and stay charged.